I'm gonna teach you how to write a book in 30 days. And even if you've never written a book before, you can do this. I did it too. I've written several books. It is so much fun. And I'm gonna show you how you can do it. So let me introduce myself. I'm the founder of a company. We help you become a published author. We've done this for over 20 years. And I want to share with you my simple 30-day process of how to write a book. Day 1, decide what type of nonfiction book you want to write. Are you gonna write a how-to book? Are you gonna write a memoir? Are you gonna write a business book? What is it that you want to write? Day 2, choose a title. Now, the title should be something that is gonna compel people to actually want to read your book. So think about that. Spend some time on it. Maybe you have a thesaurus. Look up different words. Maybe there is words that you can use that are more powerful than the words that you currently have. But spend some time choosing a title. Day 3, write your introduction. Now, your introduction should be compelling. It should get people to want to read further. It should set up what the book is about. Think about writing an outline for that introduction, having the main points that you want to get across in that introduction, and then fill it in. Use your imagination. Make it come alive. That's the most important part of your book. Day 4, start writing the first chapter. Now, don't worry about editing. Just get the words down on paper. Just move the story forward. Move the information forward. Don't worry about editing. We'll do that later. Days 5 through 29, continue to write. Now, some days you might write more than others. Some days you might write a lot. You might be inspired. Other days you might not. But just keep writing. Keep moving forward. The important thing is to just keep writing every single day. Day 30, edit. Now that you've finished your manuscript, it's time to edit. Now, you can hire an editor to do this, or you can do it yourself. There are many different things that you can edit. You can look at the content. Can you make it even better? Can you add more stuff to it? Can you make it more compelling? Can you make it more interesting? Then you can look at the structure. Is the flow of the book good? Does one chapter flow into the next? And then you can look at the style. How's your grammar? How's your punctuation? How's your spelling? Now, here's the deal. This is very important. Writing a book takes a long time. It takes months, sometimes even years. But by breaking it down into these small little tasks, it makes it achievable. It makes it possible. And that's why I said, even if you've never written a book before, you can do this. Anyone can write a book. Anyone can become an author. Now, once you finish your book, you have two choices. You can either go to a traditional publisher or you can go the independent route, which I highly recommend. And we can help you with that. We can help you publish your book, format your book, design your cover, market your book, distribute your book all around the world. We can help you with that. Now it's your turn. Start writing your book today. It's easier than ever to become a published author. And I know you can do it. I believe in you. Now you have to believe in yourself. So start today. Start right now. If you'd like more information, please visit our website. You can also check out my other videos on this channel. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you soon.